Mandalorian, but when he came out, I'm like, this is like one of the coolest Star Wars shows ever. I need to review the series because they're about to do a movie. But yeah, it gave us Grogu, Baby Yoda that he was called for the longest time. But yeah, let's open this thing. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's like it has its own